We are surviving in national lockdown phase 3 due to international coronavirus pandemic. Now I am going to present a very important topic of BA second year Political Science Honors paper 3. The topic is preamble. preamble को हम लोग हिंदी में प्रस्तावना कहते हैं। हमें सबसे पहले यह जानना है कि प्रस्तावना क्या है और प्रस्तावना क्या है और संविधान का प्रस्तावना क्या है। हम लोगों ने अपनी किताब में भी देखते हैं तो उसमें भी प्रस्तावना होता है। कोई भी स्टैट्यूट हो, कोई भी डीड हो, उसमें एक प्रस्तावना होता है जिसे हम लोग प्रीएम्बल कहते हैं। A preamble is an introductory part of a statute or deed stating its purpose, aims and justification. But the preamble is the basic structure of constitution. संविधान की जो प्रस्तावना है वह संविधान के उद्देश्यों का, उसके लक्ष्यों का एक सरल और एक संक्षिप्त शब्दों में उसका उल्लेख है। The preamble is the basic structure of constitution. It is also a mirror of constitution. It is a key of constitution. भारत का जो संविधान बनकर तैयार हुआ तो इसकी प्रस्तावना को इस ढंग से बनाया गया ताकि हमारे संविधान के उद्देश्यों के, उसके लक्ष्यों का, उसके विचारधारा का एक स्पष्टीकरण हो, एक संक्षिप्त स्पष्टीकरण हो। कोई भी लोग हमारे देश के संविधान की प्रस्तावना को पढ़कर यह जान सकते हैं कि भारत की शासन व्यवस्था कैसा है, यहाँ का राज कैसा है, सेकुलर है, सोशलिस्ट है, लोकतंत्र है। इसे आसानी से समझा जा सकता है। मैं सबसे पहले भारतीय संविधान की प्रस्तावना को आपके समक्ष रखने जा रहा हूँ। हम भारत के लोग भारत को एक संपूर्ण, प्रभुत्व संपन्न, समाजवादी, पंथनिरपेक्ष, लोकतंत्रात्मक गणराज्य बनाने के लिए तथा उसके समस्त नागरिकों को सामाजिक, आर्थिक एवं राजनीतिक न्याय, विचार, अभिव्यक्ति, विश्वास, धर्म और उपासना की स्वतंत्रता, प्रतिष्ठा और अवसर की समता प्राप्त कराने के लिए तथा उन सबों में व्यक्ति की गरिमा तथा राष्ट्र की एकता एवं अखंडता को सुनिश्चित करने वाली बंधुता बढ़ाने के लिए दृढ़ संकल्प होकर आज अपने संविधान सभा में तारीख 26 नवंबर 1949 मिति मार्क्सिस शुक्ल पक्ष संवत विक्रमी 2006 को एतद द्वारा इस संविधान को अंगीकृत, अधिनियमित और आत्मार्पित करते हैं। उसी तरह हम अपने प्रीएम्बल को इंग्लिश में इस प्रकार, हमारा जो संविधान में वर्णन है वह इस प्रकार वर्णित है। वी द पीपुल ऑफ इंडिया हैविंग solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual, the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. Our preamble of the Constitution gives an idea about some features such as principles of the Constitution, nature of Indian state, a statement of its objectives, the date of its adoption. The preamble to the Constitution of India is a brief introductory statement that sets out the guiding purpose, principles, philosophy of the Constitution. Here, this is important to know the meaning of important word of preamble. The first line of the preamble, that is, we the people of India, emphasizes that the Constitution is made by and for the Indian people and not given to them by any outside power. It also emphasizes the concept of popular sovereignty as laid down by Rousseau. All the power emanates from the people and the political system will be accountable and responsible to the people. What is sovereign? What is sovereign? Sovereign, we can understand sovereign. India is internally and externally sovereign. Externally free from the control of foreign power, and internally it has a free government which is directly elected by the people and makes laws that govern the people. No external power can indicate the government of India. The word socialist. Socialism is an economic philosophy where means of production and distribution are owned by the state. India adopted mixed economy where apart from the state there will be private production too. Socialism as a social philosophy stresses more on societal equality. What is the meaning of secular? Features of secularism as envisaged in the preamble is to mean that the state will have no religion of its own and all persons will be equally entitled to freedom of conscience and the right freely to profess, practice and propagate the religion of their choice. What is the meaning of democratic? The word democratic indicates that the Constitution has established a form of government which gets its authority from the will of the people. The rulers are elected by the people and are responsible to them. What is the meaning of republic? The republic indicates Loktantric republic is an entity in which the head of the state is elected directly or indirectly for a fixed tenure. The President of India is elected by an electoral college for a term of 5 years. The post of the President of India is not hereditary. Every citizen of India is eligible to become the President of the country. What is the meaning of justice? The term justice in the preamble embraces 3 distinct forms: social, economic, and political, secured through various provision of fundamental rights and directive principles. Word equality. The term equality means the absence of a special privileges to any section of the society and the provision of adequate opportunities for all individuals without any discrimination. What is the meaning of liberty? The term liberty means the absence of restraints on activities of individuals and at the same time providing opportunities for the development of individual person. What is the meaning of fraternity? It means a sense of brotherhood, it assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. Here we are understand that preamble is a brief and simple statement of our constitution which show its purpose, aims and ideology. आज हम लोगों ने भारत की प्रस्तावना को समझा। इससे संबंधित आपको जो भी प्रश्न हो वो हमारे व्हाट्सएप पर, हमारे ईमेल एड्रेस पर आप पूछ सकते हैं। मैं उसका यथाशीघ्र उत्तर देने का प्रयास करूंगा। धन्यवाद।